monster under your bed while you're sleeping. I can see ya. Do you baby wanna be friends? Down here it's kinda lonely. The other demons are mean. Why don't you sleep and get cozy while I just feast on your dreams? Don't turn on your flashlight. Don't call for your mom and dad. Don't worry, I'm your best friend, the best friend you never had. Why don't you pay me a visit down in the underworld? We can take a trip with some spirits, a one where you never return. Hey kid, I've got a question. Do you wanna play a fun game? Just listen to my directions. If you win, I'll be on my way. Make sure to turn the lights off, then go and look in the mirror. Say my name 3 times and don't stop. Now the fun is finally here. Congratulations, I've been summoned. Now let's play some hide and seek. Count to 10 and you start running. Pray to God I won't grab your feet. If I can't catch you by morning, you'll never see me again. If I find you, here's a quick warning. I'll take an arm or a leg.